Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage post visibility on TikTok posts. So this is a pretty new feature where you can manage the visibility on of your post. So you can start by clicking on the plus icon and select the video or photo that you want to post. So for example, I want to post this photo. Before you click on next, you need to go to the settings. Here, click on the settings button, and here you can manage the visibility. Who can view your post? You can set it in here. Well, there are three options. Everyone, so everyone on TikTok can see your post, or maybe only your friends, or you can also set it as private. Only you can see the post. After that, you can just click on next and just post the TikTok post that you want. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.